What's your favorite topic of all of these?
You know, some of us are exhausted. We don't like videos being done while we're sleeping. And I thought it was just really rude that she just went ahead and did that
It's not
because she
you.
has a Frenchie. That was her little Frenchie. I have her Frenchie. I know exactly. Their snoring is exactly. I can tell it's probably a 19-pound dog just by the snoring. I know exactly what that's like. It's like rhythmic farting. That little dog. It's amazing.